circles second chapter. We will learn the concepts of the second chapter today. Area related to circles, right? अब सर्कल तो हमने समझ लिया था, समझ गए थे, ठीक है। सर्कल तो सारे कॉन्सेप्ट तुम समझ गए, थ्योरम 1 2 3 4, उसको अप्लाई करना तुम्हारे हाथ में है और देखेंगे। सर्कल का कॉन्सेप्ट सीख लिया, सर्कल जान लिया क्या है। अभी इस सर्कल के टुकड़े होंगे। जब तुम्हारे घर में पिज्जा आता है तो उसके क्या करते हो, पिज्जा कटर लेके उसको टुकड़े टुकड़े करते हो कि नहीं, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ठीक है। ये बड़ा वाला पापा का और ये सब भाई का, बहन का, मम्मी का, दोस्त का, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे जो बचे 4 टुकड़े वो खुद के लिए। सो अभी सर्कल के टुकड़े करेंगे 1000, ऐसे कर सकते हैं। या फिर हम सर्कल को यहां से काट सकते हैं। मान लो एक बैंगल है, तुमने उसको काटा तो ऐसे ऐसे पार्ट्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है। ये भी टुकड़े एक तरह के। और मान लो तुमने ऐसा नहीं किया, तुमने क्या किया, थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन वे में काटा, ठीक है। ऐसे काटा तो टुकड़े मिले ऐसे, ठीक है। समझ में आ रहा है? ये भी तुम कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो ऐसे ही सर्कल को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में हम काट सकते हैं जैसे भी मर्जी, लेकिन ये सब जो पार्ट्स में काटेंगे उनका एरिया, उनका पेरीमीटर, उनका जो भी है सब चीज हमें निकालना है। दिस इज आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव हियर, टू फाइंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल्स एंड देयर एरियाज, देयर एंगल्स सबटेंडेड, व्हाटएवर एंड व्हाट नॉट। लेट अस बिगिन बाय सर्कल के टुकड़े करेंगे। तो पहले जो टुकड़े करेंगे वो ऐसे करेंगे। We have cut out a part of the perimeter of the circle and this part is called an arc, okay। अभी ये सेंटर है, and whenever it is telling you that angle subtended, what do you mean by subtend? ये होता है subtend। See, this is a part, this is a line, this is a point। If someone asks you what is the angle subtended at this point, तुम ये नहीं बोलते कि ये एंगल है, no। What do you tell? You tell this one is the angle subtended। Why? Because you take the end points of the segment, end points of the construction and join it। So angle subtended means the angle made by the point and the lines joining from the end points of the given arc or line or whatever। So this is the angle subtended। तो पहले इसका मतलब समझो। First you understand what is angle subtended। This is the angle subtended, neither this nor this। If this is the angle subtended, then that one is the line, and like this, if this is the angle subtended, then this one is the line। So angle subtended is what is drawn from the end points। This much you remember first point। So this is an arc, these 2 points A and B, you see this has divided the circle's perimeter into 2 parts। One is smaller arc and one is a greater one। This one is known as the minor arc and this is known as the major arc, right? Why it is the minor? Because if you see, if you subtend the angle here, this angle will be less than 180 degree, whereas the other one's angle will be greater than 180 degree। This is the actual definition। So whenever this is lesser than the diameter, this is a minor arc and the other one is the major arc. If you add the minor arc and the major arc, you get the whole circle perimeter. This much you understood? Very nice. So once you have understood what is an arc is just a part of the perimeter of the circle cut by 2 points. Right? Now if we know what is an arc and if we know what is the angle subtended of the arc, is there anything else to know? Yes, there is. We have to find the length of the arc. Right? How much is this? How to find out? See, if 2 points go on and make a circle, or you look at this way, 2 arms, they go on in either direction from here, starting from here, O dash, and go on and make a circle. The angle swept by them will be 360 degree, right? So in 360 degree of angle sweeping, they will form the whole circle. Suppose our angle subtended is any variable x or theta. Okay, we don't know how much is this. We are finding the general solution, so we will take it as a variable theta. It may be 30, 60, anything. So if 360 degree, while sweeping 360 degree, you cover 2 pi r length of perimeter. In 1 degree, you will cover 2 pi r by 360 degree. In theta degree, you will cover theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Right? In covering, see, if these 2 arms go and make theta degree, they will also proportionally cut out a length of theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So this gives us the arc length. How much? So length of an arc subtending an angle theta will be how much? It will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. How did we find out? We found out by proportionality. Yes, right. So theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is the length of the arc subtending an angle theta at the center. If someone asks you in this subtending angle theta, what is the length of the major arc? Okay, that angle will be how much? 360 minus theta. If this is subtending theta, the other one will be 360 degree minus theta. Again, so उसको थीटा लेके इसके लिए निकालेंगे तो 360 by minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r will be the length of the major arc. So if this is the minor one, this is the major one. This much you understood? So this is how you got it. Or you can say if you subtract this length, let me rub it 1 second. Or you can say this is the length of the smaller arc. If you subtract from 2 pi r the length of the smaller or minor arc, you will get 2 pi r minus theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. If you take 2 pi r common, you will get the same answer, theta 360 minus theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so this is same as this. So कैसे भी करो, सीधे रास्ते से जाओ या हाईवे से जाओ. अब हाईवे से जाने से थोड़ा फायदा है, टाइम बचता है, राइट? बट हाईवे हैज रिस्क. हेलमेट पकड़ते हैं, लाइसेंस चेक करते हैं जैसे हाईवे में, वैसे ही हाईवे में जाओगे तो थोड़ा सोचना, गलती के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं. समझे? डिड यू रिलेट करने से? यस सर, राइट. So this is how length of the arc was found out and the length of the major arc was found out. This is all about arc. But arc तो बस length ही है, so this much is enough for it. Let us go on to another type of circle section. Let this be the center. This is an arc. Now this, if I join these two line segments, I get something like a pizza here, a slice of pizza. These two radii at the end points where the arc is cut and the arc itself form a type of region. This is known as a sector. So we are talking about sector, right? So the arc, the two radii where the arc subtends the angle theta at the center together constitute a part of the circle which is known as a sector. Similarly, this one is the minor sector and the reflex वाला part जो कि ऐसा है. Have you seen Pac-Man, the game? ऐसा होता है ना? Yes sir. क्या हुई? तुम्हें तो वो पता ही है, ठीक है? So ये जो Pac-Man वाला गेम है, ये वाला पार्ट है मेजर सेक्टर. समझ में आया? Circle से if I subtract the minor sector, I get the major sector. There is nothing more. So similarly, the same two arms, while sweeping angle theta, they are making the arc. If they sweep the whole circle, they will get 360 degrees something like that. Right? If they subtend 360, that means they are covering the whole circle. Sweeping 360 and making the circle. Now, so to do that, they will cover how much area of the circle? The whole circle, pi r square. Right? This is not equal to neither this is similarity. This is I am comparing them. So in 1 degree coverage, they will do pi r square upon 360. And to make an angle theta, they will cover theta by 360 into pi r square. Right? So what I told here is the area of a sector subtending an angle theta at the center is nothing but theta by 360 into area of the circle, which is pi r square. Got it? So we may write area of a sector subtending an angle theta, and also maybe this is minor theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. If I subtract it from the whole area of the circle pi r square, I will get the major one. Or I can say the angle subtended by the major one is how much? 360 minus theta. So the area of this sector subtending an angle 360 minus theta, which is also known as major क्योंकि ये बड़ा है. So it is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. कुछ ज्यादा है सोचने लगे? समझ में आया ना? Yes sir, clearly. So इसको याद भी नहीं रखना है. You have to just remember कि एरिया निकालना है सेक्टर का, ठीक है? कितना एंगल सबटेंड करता है? इतना. टोटल एंगल कितना है? इतना. Subtended angle by total angle gives the fraction of the angle multiplied by the area gives the fraction of the area. Right? So you can remember this as angle subtended, this as total. If you multiply it with area, you get the area of the sector. If you multiply it with the perimeter of the circle, you get the length of the arc. Right? This is what a sector is. Over. Let us come on to another way of another particular type of division. Segment. अब सर्कल को we are dividing differently. We have put a line here like a segment or a chord. This also divides the circle into two parts. See, this was the arc A, B. If I join the arc AP, join the points AP, I get a straight line. This straight line also divides the circle into two parts. These are known as neither sector nor arc, they are known as segments. Okay. ऐसा और नीचे वाला ऐसा दो segment. वैसे you can put the line anywhere. You can put the diameter also make it two segments. If you put the diameter, it will divide the circle into two equal segments, which will make it the semicircular segments. Right? Half, आधा. ठीक है? So what I am saying is this segment is different from arc and sector because the area itself is of a different shape. Right? So this one is called the minor segment and this is the major segment. क्यों ये minor है major? Because same case. Because if you subtend the angle, this one will be less than 180 degree, and the reflex angle will be more than 180 degree. So there is nothing to worry. Is there anything to worry here? No, sir. You know which one is the minor, which is अच्छा तुम्हें जो छोटा दिखेगा वही minor है, जो बड़ा दिखेगा वही major है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि बड़ा अच्छा. Right? You understand what I said? So वो तो दिखने से होता है, लेकिन logic है. Sometimes your eye may deceive you, but you should know how it came. What is the parameter? What is the constraint used? This is the constraint. The angle subtended decides whether it is minor or major fraction. Right? Understood? Okay. So if this is the minor segment, this is the major segment. Question is how to find the area. Right? To find the area, let us do a different diagram because there are many cases we will do. Okay, let us go quickly. Draw a segment. AB subtending an angle theta and the center. Let us first solve what is the area of a segment subtending an angle theta at the center. Then we will go on to some special cases because theta में कर लिए तो बाकी सब में तो थीटा को पूर्ति कर ही सकते हैं. तो पहले देखते हैं एक वेरिएबल एंगल, एनी एंगल थीटा subtended by an arc and find the area of the minor segment. Means we have to find this region. We have to find the area of the region A, P, B. Okay, this region. Right? So how to do it? If you look carefully, area of this segment APB is nothing but area of the sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Yes or no? देखो यहां से पूरे एरिया से नीचे वाले एरिया को निकालने के लिए मैंने जो ट्रायंगल वाला एरिया है उसको माइनस कर दिया. From the total pie I took out my slice like this. I am left with the part which is known as the segment. So this is how we will find out basically. We will subtract from from the whole sector the area of the triangle OAB, right? अब इसका एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? ये तो एंगल थीटा है. Solving general case में let us first we know the area of this sector is how much? Theta by 360 into pi r square, ये तो पता है. लेकिन माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल OAB, वो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल OAB निकालना है. देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल OAB के लिए आई नीड द बेस एंड हाइट, or I may use some other formula, Heron's formula also. Let us go to the basic steps. Base, half base height, which is half into AB into. Let us draw a perpendicular OD. Okay, half into AB into OD. Let the radius of the circle be R. Now, to find AB or AD or OD, only thing I have is this angle is theta by 2, this angle is theta by 2. Why is this the bisector? Because you know this the radius is same, so this is an isosceles triangle. Yes. In an isosceles triangle, the radius, the altitude, the median, right, the angle bisectors, all are the same. Only if they are passing through the common vertex of these equal sides. So since this is an isosceles triangle, the altitude will also bisect the angle. You can prove it by proving congruency of these two triangles. So given you know that this is theta by 2. Now I have to use trigonometry, right? Because I know one side, I know one angle, I can find the other side in terms of R by using trigonometry. Let us use trigonometry in triangle OAD. In triangle OAD, this is the hypotenuse opposite to the right angle. I need to find AD because to find AP पहले AD तो निकले, उसके बाद डबल कर देंगे. तो I need to find AD, I need to find OD also. Let us think about AD. To find AD, for AD, what will I do? See, this is the angle of concern. This is 90 degree. Hypotenuse. AD is the opposite side or perpendicular. So I will use here sine of the angle. मतलब sine theta by 2 is equal to P by H. What is the P here? AD. AD is the P. What is the H here? OA. OA. So now from this I can say AD is how much? OA is R. So R sine theta by 2. AD will get AD in terms of R, right? So BA or AB is twice of AD. You have studied in class 9 that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, right? Theorem 10 point something. So if this bisects this, means AD is same as BD or AB is double of AD. So I can say therefore AB is how much? Twice of this. 2R sine theta by 2. Theta by 2 is the angle. Okay, don't get confused. Don't say sine theta by 2. वो भी confusion कर सकते हैं. वो मत करना. Sine of theta by 2. So ये है 2R sine theta by 2. Total AB base मिल गया. base. अच्छा. अब बचा body. Perpendicular. To find the perpendicular, you will look here. What we can do? This is the angle of concern. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent side, means the base. So we will use in the same triangle cos theta by 2 is equal to OD by OA. Okay. So from this I can say OD is equal to OA into this. OA is R cos theta by 2. Look carefully, write carefully, I will rub it. We got AD, we got AB twice of that, yes sir, we got OD, बेस मिल गया, हाइट मिल गया, तो एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल कितना होगा, हाफ इनटू बेस, व्हाट इज द बेस AB है 2r sin theta by 2 into what is the height here OD, r cos theta by 2. Understood? Can we simplify this? Yes, we can. I am rubbing the below part. Hope you have written. Okay. Now, only thing is to arrange this. Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus half और 2 कट गया, रहेगा r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is the area of a segment subtending an angle theta at the center. Okay. Can we simplify this more? Yes, we can. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus. In class 11, you will study one identity which says sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So since we have sin of some angle into cos of some angle, this identity is called identity of multiple angle. So in multiple angle we say sin of twice the angle is same as 2 sin theta cos theta. So इस एंगल का डबल करके और ये करूंगा तो आई कैन सिंपलीफाई, राइट. सो यहाँ पे क्या है, sin थीटा है, मान लो ये थीटा है, sin थीटा है, cos थीटा है, 2 नहीं है तो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 1 2 एंड डिवाइड 2. लेट मी डू इट. आई कैन से 2 r square by 2 into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Got it? And for the simplification, I am rubbing the below part. I can say there is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square. Now this is an identity. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is sin twice of theta by 2, which is समझ गए? Yes sir. In this part we use that formula. 2 sin theta, let this be theta, this be cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So twice of theta by 2 मतलब theta हो गया. So this is the general formula for any segment subtending an angle theta. Maybe this is in your course or not, doesn't matter. You should understand this because यहाँ से सब कुछ हुआ. Now let us come to your area of concern, some special cases before wrapping up this video. This much you understood, I am rubbing. This formula you may not use in your CBSE board exams, but you should know how you found out because that gives you the approach and understanding. And understanding is everything. So if this is the center, in your context you will get 3 cases. One since theta is 90 degree, one is theta is 60 degree, and one is theta is 120 degree. If the theta is मान लो 90 degree और मैं पूछा है निकालने के लिए एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट, सो वही एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट हम निकाल रहे हैं के लिए. If theta is 90 degree, this is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? So OAB is a right angle triangle. अब right angle triangle में एरिया कितना होता है? ये तो है area of the sector minus area of triangle OAB, which is a right angle triangle. Half base into height, half r into r, half r square. हो गया एरिया. right angle triangle हो गया. 90 है, so you got it like this. since this is an isosceles triangle, these two angles must be same. So by using angle sum property, तीनों angle will be 60. If three of the angles will be 60, this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle का एरिया होता है √3/4 into side square. This is the area of an equilateral triangle, √3/4 a square. Okay. अगर 120 है, मान लो ये एंगल 120 है, then you have to draw a perpendicular, bisect this angle into 60 and 60, and use corresponding trigonometric ratios to find the area of this segment. As per trigonometry, you have to find the base, double it, find the OD, the radius, and do half base height. Or you can just put the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. But in your context, you see this may not be allowed. So what you will do is you will proceed as I explained earlier in this video by using trigonometry. Okay, so you found out the area of the arc, you found out the length of the arc, you found out the length of the minor arc, major arc, you found the length of the sector, major sector, segment, major segment. Okay, of course one more thing, if they asking you to find the major segment, instead of the theta you can put 360 minus theta. If it is asking you to find the major segment, or if what you can do is see the rasta, you can subtract pi r square total area minus minor segment to get major segment. That also you can do. Whatever you do, if your answer is approximately correct, your answer is right. Some amount of approximation is allowed in area questions, so don't worry. You can take some bit of estimation somewhere, like if something is coming 1.77, you can take it 1.8. So I hope you understood every part of the concepts of area of circles. But this is not enough. As you know, area of the related circles, this is a concept first video. In another video we will discuss area of circles application to different types of areas, like a flower, like some different types of areas which you may have seen in the books, but we will discuss it in another section. So this much you digest, understand, and get ready for the next section. And with this much knowledge, you go on and do some basic questions, find the area of some segments, some sectors, some areas, some arcs, and practice properly so that you will understand the concepts better. That's it for today. This is Praveen signing off. Thank you.